all. Did you know your heart beats around 100,000 times every day without taking a rest even for a second? What makes cardiac muscle so special is that it can continuously work even for a lifetime. So let's understand the fascinating physiology of cardiac muscle. Let's start. Cardiac muscle is a muscle tissue of heart which is responsible for pumping the blood throughout the body, and it is unique because it has both the features of skeletal muscle and smooth muscle. So it is striated like skeletal muscle, and also it is involuntary like smooth muscle. And what it makes so special is that it can generate and conduct electrical impulses automatically. Coming on to the structure of cardiac muscle cells are called cardiomyocytes. And important structural features include short and branched fibers, single central nucleus, and striations due to actin and myosin filaments. But the most important feature is the intercalated disc. Intercalated disc consists of desmosomes and gap junction. Desmosomes provide mechanical attachment between the cells, while the gap junctions allow electrical impulses to pass rapidly. Because of the gap junction, the cardiac muscle behaves as a functional sensation, that is, contracting as a single unit. Next is the properties of cardiac muscle. The cardiac muscle has five important physiological properties. First one is automaticity. The cardiac muscle can generate impulses of their own without a nervous stimulation. And this occurs in SA node, which acts as the natural pacemaker of the heart. Second one is rhythmicity. The heart can contract at a regular rhythm, producing a steady heartbeat. The third one is excitability. That is, the cardiac muscle cells can respond to an electrical stimuli and produce an action potential. Fourth one is conductivity. Electrical impulses spread through a cardiac conduction system, which includes SA node, AV node, bundle of His, and Purkinje fibers. And this ensures a coordinated contraction. Finally, contractility. This refers to the ability of cardiac muscle fibers to contract forcefully and pump blood effectively. So these are the five important physiological properties of cardiac muscle. Next is cardiac muscle action potential. It has five phases, that is from 0 to 4. Phase 0 is rapid depolarization due to sodium influx. Phase 1 is initial repolarization. 2 is plateau phase due to calcium entry. Phase 3 is repolarization due to potassium exit. And plate 4 is resting membrane potential. Next, coming to the very important session, that is excitation contraction coupling. So cardiac contraction occurs through the following steps. First, an action potential reaches the cardiac muscle. The calcium enters the cell through a voltage-gated calcium ion channels. This causes a further release of calcium from the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Then calcium binds with the troponin and actin and myosin interact. Finally, the muscle contraction. And relaxation occurs when the calcium ions pump back to the sarcoplasmic reticulum. So this is excitation contraction coupling. Next is refractive period. The cardiac muscle cells has the longest refractive period of about 250 milliseconds. This is important because it prevents tetanic contraction, it allows ventricular filling, and it maintains a regular heartbeat. Without this long refractive period, heart would not function as an effective pump. To summarize, the cardiac muscle is a specialized striated muscle cells that has automatic electrical activity, coordinated contraction, a unique plateau phase, and a long refractory period. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple medical concepts. Thank you.